Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. It has a 6.67-inch curved Quad HD screen with 90Hz refresh rate. It has an alert slider and a power button on the right, and the volume buttons on the left. And in the bottom side, there's a speaker, Type-C port, and a SIM tray. The device has the Snapdragon 855 octa-core processor. It also has the in-display fingerprint scanner and dual stereo speakers. Moving to the back camera department, you will find a triple camera setup, which is the 48 megapixel main camera. The secondary camera is the 3x zoom camera, which is a 8 megapixel zoom camera, and the last camera is the 18 megapixel wide angle camera. Moving to the front facing shooter, it has a 18 megapixel pop-up camera, and it has a 4000 mAh battery with warp 30W fast charging. In the box, you get the phone, a charging cable, a charging brick, a letter, and a small separate box. In the small separate box, you get some paperwork, a few stickers, a SIM ejection tool, and a poster. Overall, the phone is pretty fast and has a very fast in-display fingerprint sensor. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech related content.